Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm preparing lemon dream pudding. First step, zest one of your lemons and then juice both of them. Separate the eggs, beat the yolks and whisk the whites. It's not turned on at the wall. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. When you have finished the egg whites, you should be able to hold the bowl over your head. Cream the butter with the sugar. Add the flour, juice, zest, milk, and yolks. Beat the mixture until it is smooth. Fold in the egg whites. Add the mixture to an oven-proof bowl. The bowl should have a depth of 10 centimeters and a diameter of 20 centimeters. Preheat the oven to 150 degrees Celsius. Bake in the oven for 30 minutes. That was how to make lemon dream cake. Thank you for watching.